Hello, my friends. How are you all? Hope you are keeping well. So, my dear students, today we are going to do the chapter. This is Gift for Christmas. It is written by O. Henry. This is from the book of 10th standard, and it's an interesting chapter, and it's a chapter where we find a true love between a husband and wife. It's a story of husband and wife. The name of husband is Jim and the wife is Della. Both belong to a very poor family, but they loved each other very much. Now the Christmas it was approaching and both were just worried about the gifts to be given. Before starting the chapter, I would like to ask you one question. So what are the occasions when you give gifts to others? Yes, of course, on the birthdays you give, on anniversary you give, and on Diwali and on Christmas, of course. So this is a chapter about the Christmas gift. So what happened, as I said that Jim was very poor, but he was very hard working. So he used to do a lot of work, and after doing a hard work, he was able to earn just $20 a week. And Della was not extravagant girl. She extravagant होती है बच्चे जो फजूल खर्ची करती है, वो ऐसी बिल्कुल भी नहीं थी. वो बहुत ध्यान से खर्चा करती थी. But even then, in spite of that parsimony, she was able to just save a very little amount of money. ठीक है, इतना ध्यान से खर्चने के बाद भी वो बहुत ही कम पैसे जो थे वो जोड़ पाती थी. नाउ क्रिसमस इज अराइविंग, क्रिसमस आ रही है एंड बोथ वांट टू गिव गिफ्ट टू ईच अदर. दोनों एक दूसरे को गिफ्ट देना चाहते हैं. Now Della, she started crying because when she just opened the piggy bank, she found a very little amount, just a few dollars in it. So she said that I would like to give a very good gift to Jim. She just thought for a moment. She was very much frustrated how to arrange the money. उसको समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि वो पैसा कैसे अरेंज करे. All of a sudden she went and stand inside, just in the front of the mirror. वो एकदम से जाती है और फ्रंट जो मिरर के सामने खड़ी हो जाती है. There she sees that she has very long and beautiful hair. कि उसके जो बाल हैं वो तो बहुत ही सुंदर हैं. Immediately she gets an idea. उसको एकदम से एक आइडिया आता है. She went to the saloon. ठीक है, वो सैलून चली गई. And as soon as she reaches the saloon, what happens? She just shows her hair to the owner of the saloon. She gets very much impressed on seeing a beautiful hair, healthy hair of Della. उसके बाल देख के बहुत खुश होती है और वो उसको कहती है कि okay, if you are ready to sell your hair, I am ready to give you $20. कि अगर तुम अपने बाल सेल करने के लिए रेडी हो तो मैं तुम्हें $20 जो है इसके दूंगी. No, it was a good amount, you know, because $20 were earned by Jim after doing a lot of hard work for 1 week. एक हफ्ता मेहनत करने के बाद जिम जो था वो सिर्फ एक $20 कमा पाता था और उसके बालों की कीमत वो उसको एक बारी में ही दे रही थी. सो she agrees at once. एकदम से वो इस चीज को मान जाती है and she sells her hair. अपने बाल वो बेच देती है and she got $20 और $20 लेके वो आ जाती है. Now she goes to the shopping mall. There she sees different types of gifts, but she was not satisfied with any gift. She wants to give something extraordinary to Jim, and that should be of the use of Jim. उसको कुछ अलग से देना चाहती है और चाहती है कि वो उसके यूज में भी आए. So then she thinks of the watch chain. First of all, I would like to tell you students that both were having two possessions. Two possessions were Della's long hair, Della के लंबे बाल, and Jim's gold watch chain. Jim की जो gold की watch chain थी, gold watch थी, that was the possessions of both. ठीक है. Jim got that gold watch from his father and his father got it from his father. ठीक है. जिम ने ये वॉच अपने पिताजी से ली थी और उसके पिताजी ने उसके पिताजी को दी थी. तो ये इनकी जो है कि विरासत की चीज है. So it was a good possession. Then what happens? She comes back with taking one gold watch. It was very beautiful. बहुत सुंदर सा गोल्ड वॉच चेन है. तो वो लेके उसको घर आ जाती है उसको पैक करके. And she gets ready the coffee and the supper, whatever it's needed for the dinner. जो रात के खाने के लिए ज़रूरी है वो चीज़ प्रिपेयर करती है. But she's afraid वो थोड़ी डर भी गई है बिकॉज जिम लाइक्स डेला एंड हर ब्यूटिफुल हेयर वेरी मच, क्योंकि जिम को उसके बाल डेला के बहुत सुंदर लगते हैं. And now she's a little bit worried that what Jim will think when he will see him in a different look. Now she's looking like a boy. Has cut her hair like this, so she was looking like a boy. अब वो एक boy का look दे रही है. She said okay then let's see what will happen. वो कहती देखते हैं क्या होता है. She just gets ready and waits for the Jim. Exactly at the right time, Jim arrives. Jim आ जाता है. As soon as she opened the door, Jim sees him. Jim उसको देखता है. He was neither angry nor surprised. ना तो वो उसको गुस्सा आता है और ना ही उसको कोई हैरानगी होती है. And he उसने कुछ भी नहीं बोला उसके लिए, ना उसको डांटा ना उसको कुछ कहा. She simply stared at her. उसने सिर्फ उसको staring की, उसको देखता रहा. She said that it's okay Jim, after some days I'll got my hair back. It grows very soon. कहते जिम कुछ नहीं होता, इट्स ओके कुछ नहीं होता, जल्दी मेरे बाल बड़े हो जाएंगे. बट जिम सेड नथिंग. उसने उसको कुछ नहीं कहा. देन शी सेड दिस इज योर गिफ्ट. शी shows the gift to Jim. Jim opens the pack and he found that what is there is a gold chain of that watch. कि उस वॉच की जो चेन थी गोल्ड कलर की. He simply smiles. He said, now it's my turn to give you a gift. He gives a pack to Della. Della unpacks that gift. उस पैक को unpack करती है, उसको खोलती है, देखती है. There is a set of combs. Combs, you know, उसमें clips का एक जोड़ा होता है. बहुत सुंदर छोटे से clips होते हैं, but बहुत सुंदर होते हैं. And he brings those clips just for Della to just tie on the hair. कि अपने बालों को यहाँ पे लगा ले. But now there were no hair and even the watch was not there. ठीक है, अब ना तो बाल है और ना ही गोल्ड की वॉच है. So both sacrificed their best possessions, their dearest possessions for each other. तो इस स्टोरी में आपने देखा कि दोनों ने अपनी सबसे बढ़िया पोजेशंस को एक दूसरे के लिए सेक्रीफाइस कर दिया. बट फॉर द टाइम बिंग इट्स नॉट ऑफ एनी यूज फॉर एनीवन. अब ये दोनों के लिए किसी भी यूज़ की नहीं रही. डेला के बाल नहीं है, उसके पास गोल्ड चेन नहीं है. बोथ ऑफ देम स्टार्टेड लाफिंग. दोनों हंसना शुरू कर देते हैं. एंड देन दे सेड ओके फॉरगेट इट, लेट्स सेलिब्रेट द क्रिसमस. एंड दे स्टार्टेड हैविंग देयर कॉफ़ी. ठीक है, वो कहते चलो भूल जाओ इन सब बातों को, कुछ नहीं होता. एक दूसरे को वो क्रिसमस विश करते हैं और अपनी कॉफ़ी पीते हैं. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस स्टोरी वी फाउंड दैट ट्रू लव डज नॉट लाई इन द कॉस्टली थिंग्स. ठीक है, महंगी चीज़ों में कोई प्यार नहीं होता. लव इज़ अ इंटरनल फीलिंग. सो इफ़ यू लव समबडी, it doesn't mean that you should give or present someone very expensive gift. A small gift can show your love, your sentiments, your emotions. Hope you like the story, and now I will back soon with the question answers of this story. Till then, it's a time to say bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not so far subscribed my channel. Okay.